Hi there guys, this one's going out to all of my DIY Dollar Tree crafters. This right here happens to be the latest project that I put together, and yes, that right there, I did use a Dollar Tree sign. But if you want to see the complete tutorial on how I did this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can catch that, and I have lots more. But I am so excited about this little bagel truck. I thought this right here would make a wonderful little centerpiece for any little brunch, or for somebody, if you have a get-together at the office and y'all are doing breakfast. You can do this for showers, so forth. But I am just loving this, and I absolutely love this farmhouse look. So I kind of put that all in there together. But if you want to see the complete tutorial, subscribe. Love to see you there.